Can you provide examples of different prompting techniques, zero shot, few shot, chain of thought, and explain when to use them? Answer. In the field of natural language processing, prompting techniques play a crucial role in guiding language models to perform specific tasks. There are three primary techniques: zero shot, few shot, and chain of thought prompting. Each technique has its unique strengths and weaknesses, and understanding when to use them is essential for achieving optimal results. Zero-shot prompting is a technique where the model is provided with a task description without any examples. This approach is typically used when there are no available examples or when we want to test the model's general understanding and flexibility. For instance, imagine you want to evaluate a language model's ability to generate poetry. You would provide the model with a prompt like "write a poem about the beauty of nature" without giving it any specific examples of poems. This allows the model to rely on its internal knowledge and generate a poem based on its understanding of the prompt. Few-shot prompting, on the other hand, supplies a few examples along with the task description to guide the model. This technique is useful when the model needs context or examples to better understand the task. For example, if you want a language model to generate a recipe for a specific dish, you would provide it with a few examples of recipes and then ask it to generate a new one. This approach helps the model learn from the examples and generate a more accurate and relevant response. Chain of thought prompting is a technique that breaks down a complex task into smaller, sequential steps the model can follow. This approach is beneficial for tasks that require logical reasoning and multi-step problem solving. Imagine you want a language model to generate a story that follows a specific plot. You would break down the story into smaller steps, such as setting the scene, introducing characters, and resolving the conflict. The model would then follow these steps to generate the story. In conclusion, each prompting technique has its unique strengths and weaknesses. Zero-shot prompting is ideal for testing a model's general understanding and flexibility. Few-shot prompting is useful when the model needs context or examples, and chain-of-thought prompting is beneficial for tasks that require logical reasoning and multi-step problem solving. By understanding when to use each technique, you can optimize the performance of your language models and achieve better results.